No swing today, just tractors and balloons.
She thinks my tractor's sexy.
Oh boy, it's a John Deere kind of day for July birthdays. Happy July birthdays for me and the John Deere tractor. Happy birthday balloon from the John Deere tractor. No swing today, just tractors and balloons. Does that sound good? Up in the big tractor now. Yeah, I think the orange will be all right. one orange. Oh, on the signs, on the tractors, there's some orange. And I'll put these in the car to take to the park. And we can go look on the porch and see his little John. It hit the grass. I guess the orange one didn't want to go to the park. The orange one is not going to the park. Green one? We might not have enough for the park. We might just bring him home for the swing. Oh boy. Oh dear. He keeps touching the metal. That's what's happening. It's touching the metal bucket. Yep. That's what's breaking him. The one flew all the way over to here. All right, let's check out the John Deere stuff inside. Happy July birthdays. Oh, I see the John Deere sign. Lighting is not changing. And there's little John Deere tractors. His other John Deere sign. And he has John Deere stuff in the house too. There's a little other John Deere stuff. Yep. Dad likes his John Deere tractors. We'll just bring these balloons home.